Peace. Good day, good people. My name is Akil Taft from Conscious Crusade, and welcome to my YouTube page. In this session, what we're going to work on is releasing fascia and also draining lymph. And this is the perfect thing you should do in the morning. I like to do this before I get to doing any intensive stretching because I want to release the fascia. And what fascia is, that's like a little film or sheath that's covering the muscles. So you need to activate that and make that more malleable before you begin to start stretching your muscles and that whole bit. Because after all, you know the Conscious Crusade mantra, movement and motion is like lotion for the muscles and the joints. So before we get started, I want to break it down. We're going to do about 10 moves. We're going to do 12 to 15 reps of each move. And like I said, I like to do this before I start any intensive stretching because it helps to wake me up. So I'm going to start by first doing arm waves, right? 12 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add a little twist. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That was arm swings. Now, trunk twists. Place our hands here, do a slight hinge, and this is what we're after. I'm gonna turn this way. Hands on our heart, slight hinge, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. That was 15 there. Now, body waves. These are the body waves. Let me turn to the side so you can see me. So we'll start doing 15. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4. Body swings, body waves. Body waves. Next, gonna do dead arms. Do a little demo. Your arms are dead. Plant into your feet and just swing with as much force as you can. We're doing 15. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let your arms just flail. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. That was dead arms. Now we're going into golf swings. Let me demo. Shoulder, shoulder, twisting the waist and pivot on this foot. So 3, 2, 1, we're doing 15. 1, 13, 14, 15. That was the golf swings. Next up, knee slaps. 15 of them. 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, Next, I got this smooth Tai Chi from a Tai Chi video. And we'll start up here. Try to keep the leg straight, flex a toe, and just touch it. Each side, right? A little bit of hamstring as I feel. So let's do it together. Hands up, 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yep, let's get the blood flowing. 8, 9, 10. Always breathing. 12, 13, 14, 15. And look, if 15 is a little too much for you, you can always drop it down, 7, 10, or whatever. So do what's comfortable for you. The next move we're gonna do is, I call these different names, but I call them plie. So we're gonna start here, down low, and it's almost like a jumping jack. So let's start low. Sinking our goddess squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're doing, call them goddess squat slides. So I like to start here, feet toes together, toes and heels together rather, heel, toe, heel, toe. I can go a little bit further. Heel, toe. Angle your heels in towards each other. Sit in your goddess squat. Tilt your pelvis forward. Hands can be out or folded. And we're sliding back here. Right? Try to stay low. Sink in that squat. And let's begin. 15. 1. Try to stay low. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. And last but not least, twist. So we'll be here and just twist it 15 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more than 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you have it. 10 moving patterns, right? This helps to release the fascia. And again, the fascia is that sheathing around your muscles that also cause stiffness and tightness. So what that does is that helps to release it and also to drain the lymph. And this is a perfect, like a pre-training module that you can do, because again, it gets the blood flowing and begins to loosen up the muscles. If you want to do a couple sun salutations or some more active stretching after that, perfect time to do it. But yeah, there it is, fascia release. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like it, share with a friend, and also leave a comment. All right, peace.